Are you looking for a top smartwatch? Check out the stylish, elegant new Watchly Smart Lady smartwatch. It's a portable women's smartwatch. It can track your health and fitness data. You can also make and receive phone calls. And you can choose out of so many fabulous faces and more. I am absolutely in love with my Watchly watch. This stylish and elegant Watchly Smart Lady smartwatch goes with all my outfits and make my outfits even more stylish. So ladies, I definitely recommend this watch. Get your very own Watchly Smart Lady today on www.watchly.co.za.